Hey guys, welcome to my video. My name's Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the headlights in a 99 to 04 Grand Cherokee. These headlights are fine, but I need to change the bulbs out in them, so I have to take the headlights out anyway. So I'll show you what that process is. Before I get started, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment, I'll reply back to you. Let's get rolling. So this is pretty easy to do. All you're really going to need for tools is a 7mm socket, and I got a 1/4 inch here, 1/4 inch drive, and just get a ratchet wrench and an extension. You don't even really need the extension. The bolt is right here on the top of the headlight. So to remove the headlight, all you need to do is put this ratchet on there and remove this top bolt. And the bolt isn't all that big. So it should come right out. And this is pretty much the only bolt that, I guess it is big. I take that back, it's huge. So that bolt's pretty much the only one holding the headlight in place. So now what you're going to do is you're going to grab like the headlight from the side right here with one hand and from the top, and you're going to kind of give it like a quick pull out. Just like that. And then you can get at the bulbs in the back. Whoop, one just fell out. And then the headlight bulbs will twist right out. There's one there, and here is the yellow one. And then there are a couple of parking lights down the bottom here. So if you need to take these out, if you happen to be switching the headlight, you can just pull these out like that. And then it'll go back in like this and twist and lock into place. And just kind of line up the tabs. And just kind of go in. And when you twist the socket, it will lock your bulbs back in place in here. Okay, so before you snap everything, put everything back together, you have all the bulbs in place, turn the lights on, and make sure like all the bulbs work, because it's a pain if you put it all back together and then there's a bulb that doesn't work, you gotta take it all back out again. And check the high beams, low beams. Alright, everything seems to work okay, so now we can put the headlight back into its socket, into its housing rather. Okay, so before you put the headlight back in, I'm going to show you a little trick. There are a couple of posts, there's like, see if you can see it, there's one here, and one here, and they're going to go into this insert, there's another plastic insert up here. But before you put them in, if you have a little bit of like grease or whatever hanging around the garage, or a white lithium grease, or even like a little bit of Vaseline or something, put a little bit on the posts. See, this is what the other guys leave out to show you all the tricks. Been doing this forever. So that way there, if you ever need to take the headlights back out, they'll come out a little bit easier. And you'll be less apt to break like those plastic inserts, because these will slide in a little easier for you. And you know, you don't want to break those things if possible. You can probably get them at your Jeep dealer if you do break one, but why break one if you can prevent it and make it easier on yourself? The next time you have to do this, you have to change a bulb or something. All right, so make sure the wiring is back in the little holes. Again, these are some aftermarket bulbs they have put in here, so they're going to be a little bit different. So I'm going to line up like those posts into the notches. Sorry if I'm blocking the camera at all. I'm kind of telling you what's going on. So once all the wiring is tucked away, we'll line up the posts into the inserts. And once they're all lined up, that's all you need to do is push a little, and it'll go right into place for you. So once the headlight is secured, take that big screw again and put it back down into the hole, and then grab your ratchet, your socket, and don't turn the video off yet. I'll show you something else. So you're gonna secure this into place. This will hold the headlight from falling out. So once you've done that, if you've replaced your headlights and you need to aim the main beam at all, there's a Phillips screw down in this hole right here, and yeah, you can see it on camera. That will point the main beam. So just get a long Phillips screwdriver, turn your headlights on, put them on like a brick wall, a garage door, something like that. Adjust that screw right there to the left and to the right. You should see the beam raise or lower, and that'll adjust the main beam aim for you. I hope this helped you out, and if you have any questions or comments, definitely give the video a thumbs up, and if you have a question, leave it in the comment section and we'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching.